Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Jessi Ray. I'm going to break down how to get into reclined hero pose using aerial fabric, so more restorative aerial yoga. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much. So you're going to begin with the fabric behind you in a kneeling position. On your inhale, you're going to reach your arms up, and exhale, extend your arms out to the sides. We're going to hook the elbows through and place the fabric just across the rib cage, so right across the mid-back is good. Okay, from here you want to keep holding on. We're going to begin to lean back, bringing some weight here into the fabric, and then just allowing yourself to release all the way down towards the ground. Okay, if it's okay, you can definitely make a few adjustments here if it's not in a happy spot. If it's too low on the body, it will just feel a little bit uncomfortable, so it should be right across the mid-back. From here, you're just going to allow the weight of the pelvis to release down, so you get a little traction here in the spine. Just allowing the arms to come alongside the body, palms facing up. Deep breathing. Inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your nose. And you will feel a little bit of a compression here on the rib cage and on the lungs, which is normal because we do have a lot of weight there. But try to keep the breath nice and full. So allow to maintain a deep rhythmic breath. I do suggest staying here for a minimum of 5 breaths. If you want to stay longer for maybe 5 minutes, that's totally fine. It's up to you. Whenever you are ready to come out, you're going to take both hands to the fabric, rotate your elbow creases towards your face, draw your chin into your chest, and very, very slow, you're going to pull your elbows in and begin to rise yourself up. So coming right back to your starting position. It's always good to do a counter stretch from here. The counter stretch I like to do is bringing your elbows in front, extending your arms forward, and then sliding your wrists together. It's just coming into a version of child's pose. Allow your elbows to bend, spine to round, and release the head down. And stay here for a minimum of 5 breaths. Whenever you're ready to come up, you draw your lower belly in and roll up 1 vertebrae at a time. Okay, happy practicing. I hope that you found this video enjoyable. Thank you so much. Namaste.